Rainforests are home to more than half of all the animal species on our planet. But how much do you know about them? Do you know what animal has the longest neck in the world? How about the heaviest or the smallest? Here are 10 fun facts about rainforest animals that will blow your mind. Number 10, the heaviest animal. What's the biggest animal that's ever roamed the earth? That title goes to the blue whale, which is found in both the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. It can reach up to 30 meters long and weigh over 200 tons. That's about the same as 33 African elephants. Blue whales have a heart the size of a car and eat over 4 tons of krill each day. They use their massive bodies to dive deep into the water in search of food. When they surface again, they blow out huge amounts of air, which can travel up to 9 meters into the air. You can hear these blows from miles away, especially if you're on the lookout for a whale-watching tour in places like Hawaii, where you might even get to see baby whales. No. 9. The slowest animal. Did you know that there is an animal that's so slow it has its own word for it? This animal is known as a sloth, which comes from the word slothful, meaning lazy. The sloth is one of the slowest mammals in the world, moving at just 6.7 meters per hour. A sloth could easily lose a race against a snail. There are 2 types of sloths, the 2-toed and the 3-toed. Both are about the same size, but they live in different parts of Central and South America. Sloths spend most of their time hanging upside down in trees. Their fur grows in the opposite direction to most animals, so it hangs down and hides their outlines from predators. Most of their time is spent eating, sleeping, or hanging upside down. When they do move, it's very awkward and clumsy. Because of their slowness, sloths are often targeted by jaguars, harpy eagles, and other predators. Number 8. The longest neck in the world. The giraffe is the tallest animal in the world, thanks to its ridiculously long neck. This neck allows it to reach high into the trees to eat leaves that other animals couldn't reach. Giraffes are found in small numbers in 21 countries across Africa. But there are only around 117,000 left in the wild today, making them a vulnerable species. A giraffe's neck contains 7 vertebrae, just like ours. However, each vertebra can grow to be up to 5 times larger than a human vertebra. The average length of a giraffe's neck is about 2.4 meters, but the record holder was almost 3.5 meters. If giraffes didn't have such long necks, they wouldn't be able to survive in the wild because they wouldn't be able to get enough food. Number 7. Who's your daddy? Just like humans, male orangutans will mate with many females. But only one father can produce offspring with a female during her ovulation period. Orangutans live in Borneo and Sumatra. They are very solitary animals and don't really interact with each other unless it's mating season. Male orangutans will often compete with each other to see who will get the chance to mate first. Once the female is pregnant, the male orangutan will leave her alone and she will give birth to her baby after 8 and 2 months. She will then teach her baby how to climb trees and find food. Orangutans can live up to 50 years old, but sadly, they are endangered due to habitat loss. Number 6. The most poisonous frog. Did you know that there's a frog in the world that can kill you with a single touch? This tiny little creature is called the golden poison frog. It lives in the rainforests of Colombia. The poison of this frog is so strong that just 2 milligrams of it can kill 10 adult humans. If you were to come into contact with one of these frogs, it would feel like a severe sunburn at first. Then your entire body would go numb. Within a few hours, you would be unable to breathe, and your heart would stop beating. These frogs get their poison from the insects they eat. They store the poison in their skin glands. Scientists are still trying to figure out how this poison works, but it may lead to new medical breakthroughs. Number 5. The smallest monkey. Did you know that there's a monkey in the world that's smaller than your thumb? This monkey is called a pygmy marmoset. It's only about the size of a ping-pong ball when it's born. Pygmy marmosets are found in the Amazon rainforest in South America. They live in groups of up to 10 monkeys. Pygmy marmosets are the smallest primates in the world. They have big eyes and ears and a cute little tail. Pygmy marmosets are very active during the day. They spend their time leaping from branch to branch in search of food. They eat tree sap, fruit, butterflies, frogs, lizards, and anything else they can find. Number 4. The biggest snake. The green anaconda is the largest snake in the world. It can grow up to 7 meters long and weigh over 500 kilograms. It lives in the rainforests of South America. Green anacondas are ambush predators. They wait until their prey gets close before striking. They then squeeze their prey until it suffocates. Green anacondas are mostly green, but some can be brown or black. Their skin is covered in scales. Scales help protect them from injury, while also giving them camouflage. When they're in trees, their colors blend in with the leaves. When they're in the water, their colors blend in with the murky water. Green anacondas can swim very well. They're excellent at holding their breath underwater. They have special nostrils that allow them to breathe through their skin. Number 3. Amazon River Dolphins. The Amazon River dolphin, also known as the pink river dolphin, is one of the strangest looking creatures in the Amazon. These dolphins are actually a type of freshwater dolphin. They get their name from the pink color of their skin. This color comes from blood vessels near the surface of their skin. These dolphins are very social animals. They live in pods of up to 10 dolphins. They are very playful and curious. They will often approach boats and try to interact with humans. Amazon river dolphins are very intelligent. They have excellent memories. They can remember the faces of their caretakers for years. Amazon river dolphins are threatened by pollution and habitat loss. Number 2. Leaf mimic. Have you ever heard of a katydid? These insects are named after their loud nighttime chorus. They make their sound by rubbing their legs together. Katydids are found in the forests of North and South America. They are usually green or brown, which helps them blend in with the leaves. Katydids are most active during the summer months. They are most active at night. Katydids are herbivores. They feed on leaves and other plant matter. Katydids are a common sight in the rainforest. They are often seen jumping from leaf to leaf. It can be very difficult to spot because of their green color. Katydids are an important part of the rainforest ecosystem. They serve as a food source for many animals, including birds, reptiles, and mammals. 1. The heaviest bird. Did you know that there's a bird in the world that weighs more than a polar bear? This bird is called an ostrich. It can grow up to 9 feet tall and weigh over 300 pounds. Ostriches are native to Africa. They're the fastest birds on the planet. They can run up to 43 miles per hour. Ostriches have long necks and legs. They use their necks to reach high into the trees to eat fruit. They use their legs to run from predators. Ostriches are omnivores. They eat plants, insects, reptiles, and small mammals. Ostriches are very social animals. They live in groups of up to 50 birds. Ostriches are polygamous. The dominant male will mate with all of the females in the group. Ostrich eggs are the largest eggs on the planet. Each egg weighs about 3 pounds. Ostriches are endangered due to habitat loss and poaching. Which of these animals was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos about amazing animals.